Hello, hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 397. This is Rajesh Sen.
This is Abhinandan Sekhri, and we're recording this on Wednesday at 12 noon. It is the 5th of November. Delhi is very polluted, as is much of North India. And we urge you to speak up, raise your voice, rather than let yourself and your children inhale this filthy air. So here's a QR code. Get involved in the Right to Breathe campaign and help us, support us, so that our reporters can continue to do some reportage on this to put pressure on the shameless administration who's sitting pretty. On that positive note, Rajshri Sen.
Who's sitting pretty in Bihar. Our chief minister's left. Because why should you be gassed
And
along
anything
with
you
us?
ask, Rekha Gupta,
हाँ.
हमें तो पता नहीं है. Dude, you know the caliber of people who Modi ji chooses to lead us. Anyway. So, Rajshri Sen,
Yes.
you had instructed me to watch Eden, All's
Which-
Fair, and our subscribers had requested that we review Rahul Gandhi learning how to brew Colombian coffee and a song called Bus by Swardhan,
Yes.
both of which I have done. Have you?
But there are 4 things on the list. So
Those are the
both.
4 things.
So you've watched Eden and this thing. All's fair.
I haven't watched All's Fair, but I watched Eden.
You watched Eden?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll quiz you and see whether you have or not. In good news, but bad news for Trump, Zoran Mamdani has been elected mayor of New York City.
And surprising news, Sodhya Chopra and Abhishek Bachchan. As Mamdani finished his victory speech, the Dhoom Macha De song started playing.
Poor thing. Uday Chopra's held on to this one film. No, he's in every Dhoom.
He hasn't held on to anything. Everyone just keeps jamming him. But anyway. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
In bad news, Paresh Rawal the Paresh Rawal film, The Taj Story, has hit theaters. The film is accused of spreading a conspiracy that Taj Mahal was originally a Hindu temple, Tejo Mahal.
in good news, Shah Jahan has cursed the film and it's seen terrible numbers at the box office and is being heavily trolled online. The best review of this that I saw was basically it's a WhatsApp forward
Huh.
made into a film.
Yeah, this is how films are made nowadays. So Vivek Agnihotri has not made this.
No.
Then it would be the Taj Files.
Also, there's a film being made on the Shah Banu case. And anyway,
There.
this is the golden. When we look back, this will be considered the golden age for Indian cinema. 2015
Yeah.
to 2025, this decade was the golden age, where other than the only one rock star who could give you a super hit was Shah Rukh Khan, Pathan, Jawan,
Jawan, yeah.
and now King.
Hmm.
Other than that, propaganda machinery ensured that this was a decade of films that bombed were shit. People who had potential, like Yami Gautam, were ensured that their career was finished by doing these films. That other boy who was in Chapak, who is also now doing all these propaganda films.
Rajkumar Rao?
No.
Chapak. Oh, my darling Vikram
Massey.
Massey.
Or
Massey has become Massey now only.
and this other person who had talent, Piyush
Mishra.
who is now, after being the
Imran
revolutionary,
Hashmi also.
is Imran. So basically,
I love
they have
Imran
this decade has ensured कि बॉस हम देश का तो कबाड़ा करेंगे हम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का भी कबाड़ा करेंगे. But the one man who can fight this,
Salman Khan. Sorry. Ooh.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Salman also made that Bajrangi Bhaijan was very secular.
His last few films have been lemons, one after the other.
He was in Jawan also.
Ek to he
na?
has to stop looking like someone's stuffed a stick in his ass. Like,
He's put up a picture where
I thought
he
he
has
said he's
8
put up a. I
packs.
said, what is she saying? Anyway.
We can discuss the film that you did watch,
Eden.
Eden.
So I'll consult my notes.
You understood?
I have this usually when I watch a film, I have about 8 or 10 bullet points. I have 3 bullet points.
You didn't like.
It's a depressing, pointless film, which is Rajshri's speciality. Whenever Rajshri has suggested a film or taken me for one to the theatre,
I've taken
It
you
is
for lots of
always a
episodes.
depressing. What is the genre? Tell me. Is this thriller? What is the genre?
It's like a survival film, which is also a comment on politics and society. It's a blend. blended
So
genre.
was it trying to be profound?
Yeah.
Did it succeed?
No.
Did you like it?
No.
Why the fuck did you suggest?
Because I'd watched 2 hours now of it.
You know, you're so crab mentality you have, because you wasted your time. You get me to waste mine.
Yeah. Because, okay. No. Let's be fair to the film.
You can
It's-
keep trying to be fair, but anyway.
Eden is directed by Ron Howard, who has made lots of fabulous films.
Okay.
Like
So I have an announcement here. We have the NL Sena happening for Bihar elections. I hope you've watched the Bihar election coverage. As Trump would say, many people are saying that our Bihar election coverage is head and shoulders above legacy media's because of Vasu's interview. In fact, I think Manjul said, one journalist said कि अनंत सिंह से मिलने तो बहुत लोग गए लेकिन इंटरव्यू सिर्फ एक ने किया, श्रीनिवास संजय. Here's a clip.
एफिडेविट जो आपने दिया उसी में आपने लिखे हुए सारे केस जिसमें मर्डर भी है, किडनैपिंग भी है,
नहीं नहीं
नहीं है, फालतू है. अच्छा, अरे भाई धक्का मत दीजिए, एक सेकंड, आराम से भैया, लोग सुन रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे. आप क्यों धक्का दे रहे हो? अच्छा, ये बताइए कि आपने अपने एफिडेविट में ये भी डिक्लेयर किया है कि करीब 100 करोड़ का आपने, आप और आपके मिसेस का, तो ये 100 करोड़ जैसे बिहार जैसे गरीब प्रदेश में 100 करोड़ का आपकी अमानत तो कैसे आप expect- 100 करोड़ का
And also our wonderful managing editor Atul Chaurasia's coverage and Basant's report, which is spectacular.
क्या क्या मुद्दे क्या हैं यहाँ पर विक्रम विधानसभा में आपको बताइए.
आज तो कोई विधायक नहीं बताया कि हमारा मुद्दा क्या है अगला 5 साल में.
राहुल क्या करते हैं आप?
हम तो टेम्पो चलाते हैं.
टेम्पो चलाते हैं. ये मोदी जी की ये जो वो है पोस्टर है, इसको लेके कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
हम तो भक्त हैं मोदी का.
बहुत सारा वादा किया अभी लोगों ने, आप लोग सुन रहे थे लगातार बैठ के. कौन सा चीज अच्छा लगा, एक तो कुछ बताइए जो इतना देर से सुन रहे थे आप लोग.
15 साल से कुछ नहीं हुआ है सड़क में, वैसे के वैसे
टूटा ही रहता है.
टूटा ही है, सब दिन ऐसे नहीं रहता.
यहाँ 2 दिक्कत है, समझे. एक दिक्कत है हाई स्कूल का, दूसरा दिक्कत है सरकारी हॉस्पिटल का. इलाज करवा करके बैठे हुए थे, उसी समय वो गिर गया. पंखा भी गिर गया, पंखा भी था यहाँ पर, पंखा सहित गिर गया, पैर टूट गया और बच गए लोग, भाग गए, नहीं तो और भी लोग घायल होते इसमें.
अब यहाँ से मान लीजिए 15 रुपया सर भाड़ा लग जाता है ऑटो को, जो जिसके पास पैसा नहीं पढ़ पावेगा, है संभव. एक स्कूल हो जाता है, स्कूल एक हॉस्पिटल, तो गरीब के लिए बहुत अच्छा बात होता है सर.
ट्रॉमा सेंटर में नर्सिंग स्टाफ, जीएनएम की बहुत कमी है. लेबर रूम में अभी 3 स्टाफ से 24/7 चलाते हैं. गलती से किसी को छुट्टी पे चला गया तो हम कहीं से व्यवस्था नहीं कर पाएंगे कि यहाँ पे डिलीवरी कैसे होगा. जो
We can do this that legacy media can't do because we depend on you for subscriptions and we don't depend on revenue from government ads or the ads of billionaires and corporations. So here's a QR code. There's a link in the show notes. Show your love for our journalists, for our work, and contribute. Pay to keep news free. Please subscribe, because when the public pays, the public is served, and our journalism is powered by you, not by government or corporate ads. So do contribute and top up this NL Sena. We're still, I think, 5-6 lakh rupees short. So I'd be very, very grateful if you can do that. Or tell your friends and relatives, if you already contributed, tell them to contribute so that journalism stays alive in this country and doesn't die.
We are going to discuss what you will watch one episode of. Just watch it for the heck of it.
Other things I'm watching for what?
For work, you're doing it. This is going to be a pleasure. So, Kim Kardashian's new show has, the new season of their reality show has also started.
No way!
out.
How exciting!
Aren't you excited? The Kardashians, I think it's called. But more importantly, she has already acted in a show called American Horror Story, which is a big, like a cult show, which is directed by Ryan Murphy. Ryan Murphy produces it, I think, and directs it also. Ryan Murphy has also directed some of the most successful and really good shows like Nip Tuck, which I used to love. Glee, which was a musical set in in a high school. American Horror Story, American Crime Story he's done. Then there's Pose, then there's some others which he's also, but she was in American Horror Story. She had acted in that. And now they've made this show, which I knew what it would turn out like, but I really wasn't prepared totally for how bad it was going to be, because it's called All's Fair. It's a legal drama, and it's about an all-women's law firm where the actors are Glenn Close, Naomi Watts, what's her name? Sarah Paulson. Then there's another very well-known person also, Naomi Watts, Sarah Paulson. Kim Kardashian is in the middle of this entire bunch of like really proper actors and actresses, right? They all look like, this is like a Karan Johar version of, like Karan Johar's idea of what reality is. So they are all dressed like they are in Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
I want to suggest that we do next episode where we discuss the lyrics of Hindi film songs right from the 40s, 50s to even probably now. And some of them are really beautiful songs.
Biri Jalale,
But, okay.
Jigar Se Pyar.
But the sentiment is so servile,
Haan.
which is the
Okay.
most beautiful part of Indian culture.
Yeah. I think
is,
that's...
for example, the song that I'm recommending today
Yes.
is a beautiful song.
Really? Let's hear.
It's one of my favorites. And last time, because people said they really liked my recommendations, so I got a little bit inspired. I got
carried
what?
away.
So this is from, it's Lata Mangeshkar. It's picturized on Meena Kumari, like many beautiful songs are. And this is how it goes.
हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम खो बैठे हैं खो बैठे तुम कहते हो कि ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम खो बैठे हैं खो बैठे तुम कहते हो कि ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम
Rajshri Sen, I would
Yes.
just like to draw your attention to this one stanza.
I तो believe an Indian woman's place is below the...
तेरे चरण की
Soul.
धूल से हमने अपनी जीवन मांग भरी. Beauty.
I think this is only right. I don't think...
इन चरणों में दम निकले.
Charan.
हम प्यार के गंगा जल में बलम जी तन मन अपना धो बैठे तुम कहते हो के ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ. It's a beautiful song, but I think we should do a full episode on
Full.
because there's a very nice Devanand song also, which is actually a very nice song, but some of the lyrics in that they completely reject that no can mean no.
But that too, that other film also, na?
So do you want to do this episode? I think we can really dissect it, and this also will explain
What?
why we are both single.
Yeah.
See, because whenever I meet any girl, she
You
calls
say-
me by her name, my name. Abhinan,
And-
where are we going for dinner? I'm like, dude, what I want to hear is Swami, what should I make for dinner?
Yeah. Correct.
No one has called me Swami.
But she can only say this while keeping her head under your foot. Where the dhool is.
Where the dhool
Where
is.
the dhool is.
With the
Otherwise,
dhool,
yeah.
Swami, what kind of... Not Abhinan, where are we going for dinner?
Yeah.
No.
No. Do you say no? I want to hear you say this.